This morning, Messi tied a record. By this afternoon, I was trying to draw his face, and I let the same AI that set the lesson tell me how badly I missed. I gave it one photo and asked for a lesson, not a filter. It reads the face, where the light lands, where the planes turn, and writes the steps. This is the exact guide I followed. It's a free download, links in the description. I didn't change a single step. The loop is working. 2 old problems improved. The beard finally reads like it grows out of the skin instead of sitting on it, and the darks came in warm this time, not the dead gray I got last week. The new catch. The lit side of the face turns convincingly, but the shadow side flattens. The cheek and jaw on the away side stop turning, so the head reads less round on that side. Skin's still a little patchy in places, and the brightest lights stopped at cream. They never reached a true highlight. Beard's fixed. Keep it. Don't relearn it. Next drawing. Make the shadow side turn as convincingly as the lit side, and let the brightest light actually go bright so the face reads lit, not just filled. If you want to draw your own face, yours, or someone you're a fan of, the custom color map on my Gumroad takes your photo and your pencil brand and builds the same kind of guide AI built for Messi. That's the whole method, pointed at whoever you want. Next one's already on the desk.